A pack of wild dogs cornered an antelope. Cornered antelope 4. A sliver of life for the ball. Jumped off the rising river. Antelopes rely on their powerful desire to survive. Successfully escaped the pursuit of the wild dogs. The ferocity of wild dogs is etched into the bone. It's not killing antelopes every day on the way to hunt zebras. The army hunts endlessly. Wherever you go, people die. However, and the zebra didn't get away from the wild dogs. When a zebra's life is at stake. Also jumped into the turbid river. Wild dogs can only be found on the shore, watching the prey that is about to arrive. Out of reach. How savage is an elephant in rage? Even the fierce lion gets in the way, helpless to be cornered in the tree. The body in the stump kept bumping into the tree. The dangling lion almost fell from the tree. The elephant's proboscis swings the bony whip. In the face of the monkey's provocation, the elephant swung it mercilessly. The camera is wrapped in deterrent. I wiped the branch and broke it. Elephants with their great power. Top position in the border crossing. Long nose rolls and huge feet tread mountains and rivers. Rampage and destroy all the beasts. A mobile fortress invincible on land. Snake saved leg bow is recognized as the top killer in the African grassland. Those slender and straight legs. It looks as slender as a reed pill. In fact, it contains enough strength to crush the horror of any animal. The wildness of hunting is stretched in every inch of muscle. It is both a lightning-fast offensive weapon. It's also bulletproof defensive armor. The calves are covered with horny business cards pointed at the back. Closed fang. If you bite hard, you can only leave useless scratches. This bipolar speed, the divine leg of strength and defense. Let the snake stand firmly among the birds of prey standing ceiling. A veritable martial arts leg king in the bird of prey world.